So for today's wash and go, these are the things I will be using. I don't know why I clapped, but let's run with it. So, you know, we have the gel. And then for my moisturizer, underneath my gel, I'll be using my favorite of all time, Sheer Decadence. This is the Black Seed Mango Compote Curl Defining Leave-In moisturizer, which I love. If you've been on my channel for a while, then you'll know, I mean, you already know the deal. You know what's good, okay? And then I'll be using some leftover products with hardly anything in there that I need to get rid of. So I've got the Curls Aloe and Blueberry Juice Curl Moisturizer. Really like this. I really like it, and I'm very sad that this is where we've come to. And then I also have the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Coconut Oil Shine and Hold Mist. So this one, I really like this one too, and sadly this is also where we've come to. And I will be using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste, which is like a cult product in the natural hair world. I mean, pretty much seems like I'm using up products today. So yeah, let's jump in. I don't know if I'm talking in this video or not. I miss talking to you guys, and I like talking, so I don't know where we go from here, but we'll see. I also really like sharing music with you. I like to share music that I like with you, and that's why I now do more voiceovers than talking videos, even though I really like talking, which does make my videos quite long. So yeah, I don't know. So this is my hair, washed, detangled with my fingers. And I never do my wash and go in really small sections, but I feel like today's the day that the Lord has made, and we're trying new things, including using my Denman brush to do my wash and go. I never ever use my Denman brush to do my wash and go, ever. So I just applied some water to re-moisturize my hair, and then, even though I really don't need to, I'm just gonna go in with some of this stuff right here. You know, extra moisture never killed nobody. Alright, and then just gonna smooth that through like that. So this is the first section. This is how big it is, and I'm going to apply some of my moisturizer. I'm going to take about that much to begin with, emulsify it between my fingers, run it through. Oh, it smells like heaven. Literally smells like heaven. And then, so my aim is to have like a nice fluffy wash and go. Now the reason why I never use a Denman brush in my wash and goes is because I feel like sometimes it makes my hair frizzy, depending on like the texture of certain sections of my hair. Instead of clumping it, it just makes it frizzy. I don't know. So, and then I'm going to go in with the gel. So that much to start with. And I'm going to start on my ends and go up. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Going with some more. on the roots. Something is happening. I don't know if it's what I want to happen that's happening, but something is happening. I'm not sure, but you know what? I'm gonna go with the flow, and I'm gonna put some music on for you guys, and we're gonna work through the rest of the sections. Oh, it's gonna be a frizzy mess is what is the vibe that I'm currently getting. So I'm gonna put on some music and we're gonna work through this together, and if it's a fail, it's a fail together, and that's gonna be great because it's a lesson learned, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.
I don't wanna stress about the small things. Empty conversation when the phone rings, baby. Lately, I'm making some changes. I've been giving one too many chances. I don't wanna take.
Okay guys, so it seems like something's happening. It seems to work best, like all wash and go products for my hair type anyway, the wetter that the hair is. So I've been going in and putting in some more water, and this is what it's looking like right now. I want to get rid of as much of the frizz at the ends as possible, and I find that just smoothing them between my fingers usually helps with that.
I don't wanna stress about the small things. Empty conversation when the phone rings, baby. Lately, I'm making some changes. I've been giving one too many chances. I don't wanna take them all for granted, baby. Lately, I'm making some changes. Trying to get to a place, we got lost on the way, chasing heartbreaking fame. Party girls in LA, we've been fucked up for days, chasing heartbreaking fame. Paper, paper, I keep chasing paper. Paper, paper, is there something greater? I don't wanna sell my soul.
Okay guys, so I'm done. I can tell straight away that this is gonna be big hair. I wanted big hair, but yeah, it's gonna be big hair. I just don't know. I don't know how I'm feeling about it, but we won't know until tomorrow. So, because it's about 6 something, almost 7 o'clock now. It's definitely not gonna dry tonight for me to come back and show you, but I will show you tomorrow. I'll be back, and yeah, I'll show you what it looks like now.
I don't wanna stress about the small things. Empty conversation when the phone rings, baby. Lately, I'm making some changes. I've been giving one too many chances. I don't wanna take them all for granted, baby. Lately, I'm making some changes. Trying to get to a place, we got lost on the way, chasing heartbreaking fame.
Okay guys, so that's it. I like how big my hair is. I don't know if this is my favorite ever wash and go, because I don't know, I don't know, but my hair feels really soft. It doesn't actually feel like I've put any kind of gel in there. It just feels like I've moisturized my hair. It's not as like shiny as I like my hair to be. I've had shinier results using other products, but my head does feel incredibly moisturized. It feels soft. It just feels like some kind of really soft like twist out or something along those lines. I've just put some bobby pins to hold these pieces back, and even though I used my blow dryer to dry the roots because it was not dry, I knew it wouldn't be dry by this morning, I didn't actually stretch my hair. I didn't want to stretch it. I wanted to keep it shrunken. I actually prefer my wash and goes shrunken. I like it. It's different to having like a braid out or a twist out where the hair's a bit stretched. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Like I said, let me know what other gels I should try and all that good stuff. Toodles.